In this video, I'm going to show you how you can disable snap on your timeline in Filmora. Actually, disabling this is quite simple. Just follow these steps. If you find this video helpful, I'll kindly request that you support me by liking the video and also by subscribing to my channel. Now, I have just added a video clip on my timeline and I've just gone ahead and added the second one. But I'd like to go ahead and intersect this so that it can move beyond the end of the first video clip. But as you can see, if I try to interject or to move across, it snaps at the end of the first video. So to make this intersect, you have to disable snap on this timeline. To disable snap on the timeline, go ahead and click on this. You can see it is currently on, and this is timeline snap tool. So if I disable this and now go ahead and try to move my video clip, you can see now they can intertwine like that, and it has displaced the other one. So that's how you can disable snap on your timeline in Filmora. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.